Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of Pricesmart on Red Hills Road. Now, because of the holiday season, they've made some changes to the entrance of Pricesmart. So you can no longer enter Pricesmart from turning here by Red Hills Road. The usual turn off Red Hill by the usual turn to get into Pricesmart is now blocked off. So you have to go further down Red Hills Road, basically go down a block and come back around. And there you can see the police car, ensuring that people don't illegally turn. So this is how you get to Pricesmart. Now you continue along Red Hills Road. They have signs up, so you just have to follow the signs. Now, I'm assuming they did this because of the holiday season and the amount of people that will be going to Pricesmart. Usually what happens is when you turn at the first turn off where the police car is, the cars would back up and cause a traffic jam on Red Hills Road. So when the cars turn here now, there's a lot more space off Red Hills Road for the cars to line up. So that sign says to Pricesmart, and you continue down here. Pricesmart is like Costco in America. They've blocked off that road there also. It's a wholesale club in Jamaica and they have 3 locations. This one on Red Hills Road. Okay, that's another sign that says to Pricesmart. This was the first one. And then they built a second one in Portmore. And the Portmore one is doing so well that they're actually expanding the store. I think it's by 20%. And then they are building a third location in Montego Bay. And straight ahead, that's an upper level parking lot that they put in. Basically, they just put in more parking. So now this is the entrance. And this is a massive store. I'm not sure which one is bigger, this location or the one in Portmore. If I was to guess, I would say the one in Portmore. Guys, which one do you think is better? Which Pricesmart store do you think is larger, has more space? This one on Red Hills Road or the one in Portmore? Since this one was open on Red Hills Road, I think the only addition done to the store is the parking, the upstairs parking. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what you think about these new traffic changes to get into Pricesmart. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day. Bye.